What's up, everybody? This your girl Lavina coming back with another cash stuffing video. This is a video ending the year. Woo! Ending the year. Hey, who ready for 2026? Who ready for 2026? I am, and that's for sure. So let's get into this video, y'all. I wish everybody a great day. I hope everybody have a great day today. You know my videos be coming out early, so walk in your power. Make sure your mental health, do a little mental health check. Like, girl, you okay? Boy, you okay? How you feeling? You know, you feeling good? You know, you're looking good. Just do a self-check. We're going to be checking. We're going to be doing a self-check today. Just one moment. Jaden! Jaden! Be quiet. We're going to be doing a self-check today. Okay, y'all? We got the kids hollering. We got the dogs partying. They going off in here. Y'all know I really don't like to edit. So, you know. It is what it is. But let's get into these videos. Let's get into this video. Okay, so today we got we have Jaden. We will start with his binder. We will be doing a little something in Renzo's too. Like I said, before the new year, y'all, I want to try to put something in these binders, honey. So today, Jaden, let's count the money first. So let's count this money. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24. Yep, a little bit go a long way. Ain't that right, y'all? A little bit go a long way. So, savings, Jaden will be getting $5. Yep. Education will be getting $2. One, two, three. Them dogs is going crazy. Telling y'all, it get late, honey. It turning the 100, one of them dog movies. I forgot the dog movie. I forgot Everyone Loves Dogs. I forgot the movie. I forgot the movie when the dog neighbors was talking to each other in the windows and all that. I forgot. Tuition, Jaden's basketball tuition was paid for today, for this week. So next week, hopefully, or the end of the week, we can put something else in here. His beauty will be getting $5 as well. You know, he has to have a haircut before they go back to school. So I will be adding on to that. These dogs is off the chain, y'all. Shopping will get 3. 1, 2, 3. Y'all, what is going on? I don't know how peaceful it's gonna be. I'm gonna try to, you know, when I'm making my videos, you know, hopefully, I don't know, maybe I should do them early in the morning, but this is a new place. I'm just coming back. So I got to figure out, like, my times, like, what's safe to videos, you know, to do my content and stuff. Because these dogs, I told y'all in the videos, they be in the windows barking to each other. I think it be doggy language. So we going to have to figure that out. Okay, gifts will not be getting anything. Christmas just passed. And he just not getting nothing in there right now because I don't have it to give right now. For his little friends or whoever he wanted to give a gift to, that's for that. But I might do this. So yeah, gifts is for his friends, but I'm probably gonna just go ahead and use this gifts, y'all, for his Christmas for next year. I think we're gonna change this to Christmas because I would like to have like people's individual set amount for people for Christmas. You know what I mean? So let me just look, see how this angle is looking. Zoom y'all out just a little bit. Yeah. So we'll just keep this in here for Christmas. So entertainment will be getting $2. Christmas gifts or whatever, I don't know, I'll figure it out. But my plan is to try to give everybody at least a couple of dollars every week for Christmas, you know, just so it'll take a lot of the pressure off. Because those $2, they definitely will add up, y'all. Okay, we're going to do a little something in Renzo's envelope. We're going to put $2 in his savings. 1, 2. And now he has 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure I'm in focus, y'all. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Back y'all up soon. Put it like that a little bit. Let's see. It's late, y'all. So I'm trying to wrap up this content. So I'm sorry for all the stuff going on with the video and stuff. Personal won't be getting anything. Lorenzo has a job, and normally he's providing for his own personals, but if he do need something, we will help. He's 19, but y'all know they think they grown, but they ain't grown, honey. Okay, birthday will be getting $2. 1, 2. So now birthday has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in it. Let's see. And these I'm gonna be taking out as well. Shopping will be getting nothing. Yeah, beauty, he will be getting nothing. Also, he has dreads. His hair is locked, so he maintains that expense himself. Because one thing about that boy is he keeps a job. Since he's been able to have a job, he keeps a job, honey. Bills, he's pretty okay and responsible with his bills. So like this stuff, only thing I'm going to be responsible, well, I'm not responsible, but I would like to add a couple of dollars every week for him too. Is for like, this is his Christmas is going to get too. It's for like the bills. Oh, Chris gifts is going to get, no, we're going to add this to his savings account, this extra dollar. I don't know how that extra dollar came up, but his savings, we would like to be able to give him a little something. His personal is all on him. Birthday is on us. We do buy gifts in this family. Shopping, normally, if he needs something like additional to what he already got, we'll help. Beauty, his responsibility. Bills, Lorenzo pays the internet bill, and he helped if somebody really needs him. I'm talking about in dire need, honey. He hold that money like a vice grip, like he hold on to that money for dear life, but he will give it up if he need to, if it's, you know, if we really absolutely need to. And Christmas, and then this right here, I would like to finish for him within 90 days or so, just to have and add that to his savings. So that is that. This will be my last video, y'all, of the new 2025. I hope all of you had, well, I hope all of you have a happy new year. And you guys, I want y'all to be safe, okay? And let me know, like, if it's something you really want to do that you couldn't do, or you didn't finish, or you didn't accomplish that goal in 2025, let me know what that was, and if you want to try again in 2026, or you just like the heck with it, you know? Because I know sometimes, you know, you can feel hopeless and defeated, especially in this budgeting process. I mean, it can be relationships. You can add that on to, you know, a lot of things in life. You can add that on to parenting. You can add that on to how you deal with people, you know, other citizens on the street. You see every day how you talk to customer service reps when they call you. You know, I don't know if you want to be a little nicer to them in 2026 or what. Or you might say, hey, I want to tip a little more for us DoorDashers. If you do DoorDash, Instacart, and all that on the regular, can you think about giving us a little extra couple of more dollars? All right, y'all. It's late. Y'all know how I get when it get late. You know, I get to going on and on. And let me tell y'all, for all the people who have supported me with a like, a comment, a share, a subscribe, a gift, monetary, budgeting gifts, money, you know, y'all have been so amazing to me and my family. Such a blessing. And like I said, I always say it, that's one reason why I can't stop, won't stop. You know what I mean? I have a passion for this because I know it's possible. And watching y'all videos, it shows that it's possible. So I know moving into 2026 that I am I keep going, you know what I mean? And if it can happen for y'all, it can happen for me. You know, I'm the type of person, well, no, not the type of person, let's just say I've started over numerous times, okay? But one thing I can say about myself is, you know, I might fall down, but I get back up. It might take me a couple of months or something to lick my wounds, but then I'm back. Just like, you know, I'm back. Like, hey, I'm back. We're going to get back on this horse. So I just want y'all to know, give yourself a break. Don't give up on you. Don't give up on your family. Don't give up on this process. Even if you have to, you know, start over numerous times, don't give up, you know. And that's my word moving into 2026. Don't give up, you know. Just keep going. All right, y'all. Like I said, you know, I love y'all so much for supporting me because your girl do need it and I appreciate it, okay? So y'all have a happy new year. I hope you guys, you know, I hope y'all had some fun. I don't know what y'all doing, who y'all doing it with, but I hope it was a good time. See you guys on the next video. Bye.